Welcome to Edunudge, your learning companion that helps you think deeper and learn smarter. Every student learns best when they get instant, clear feedback. That's why Edunudge brings you a unique question experience, where each answer doesn't just say right or wrong, it explains why. Here's an example. You select your answer, and right away, Edunudge tells you whether it's correct, but it doesn't stop there. You'll also see a detailed explanation, helping you understand the logic behind every question. This way, even if you make a mistake, you learn from it instantly. Now look at this type: assertion and reason. These questions test your conceptual clarity and reasoning. After you choose your answer, Edunudge shows not just the result, but the reasoning behind it. You'll know exactly why the assertion and reason are true or false and how they are related. Over time, this immediate feedback builds confidence and accuracy. Students begin to notice patterns in their mistakes, and that's how real progress happens. Whether you're revising at home, in school, or on the go, Edunudge keeps your learning smooth, structured, and supportive. With Edunudge, every click is a step towards better understanding. Learn, reflect, grow. Edunudge, smart practice, confident learning.